This channel is getting 10 million views every month by producing spiritual videos that are very easy to create. I'll give you 3 seconds to guess how long it took them to reach 300,000 subscribers. The answer is 2 months. It's astonishing how quickly a niche like this can generate this huge number of subscribers in a short time.
It's crazy.
Now, let's calculate how much they're earning every month. As you may know, I'm a professional.
You're a professional. I'm a professional.
And I managed to get in touch with someone who knows the owner of this channel. According to him, the RPM, which is how much they earn per 1,000 views, is more than $5, which means this channel is making a minimum of $50,000 every month. In this video, I will teach you how to create a channel like this from scratch, so make sure to watch the whole video.
But first,
let's take a look of what kind of videos these guys are producing.
Are you feeling stuck behind walls that just won't budge? No matter how hard you try.
As you can see, these videos are very easy to make. All you need is subtitles, stock footage in the background, and your watermark at the top. Also, this is a channel for Christian people, but you can make it for whatever religion you believe in,
meaning Jewish people or Christians or Hindus or Muslims,
or whatever spiritual content you want to create. Now, let's start by creating the channel. First, go to ChatGPT and ask for 10 names of what your channel is about. For example, can you give me 10 names for a daily spiritual YouTube channel? Then copy the one you liked the most. Next, proceed to create the channel. Then, paste the name you generated earlier. For me, it was Everyday Spirituality, which describes what we are going to upload in this channel. After that, check that box and click on Create. Next, navigate to the YouTube Studio, click on Customization, and then go to Basic Info, where we can make some changes. Begin by changing the handle to something simpler. Then, add a straightforward description that represents your channel. Don't forget to include a call to action such as subscribe for more. Lastly, ensure you've added an email in the contact info section. Next, let's design a logo and a banner for the channel. To do that, we'll be using canva.com. Go to Create a Design and select YouTube channel logo. Then, search for a template to use. Personally, I like this one. Next, change the text to the name of your channel. After that, click on Share and then Download. Now we're going to do the same for the banner. Go ahead and click on Select Design, then choose YouTube Banner. After that, select a template and change the text. Finally, click on Share and then Download. Now, after the channel is ready, we need to generate the script. To do that, we have a couple of different ways. The first one is writing the script yourself. This will help you learn what works and what doesn't, and you'll also learn a lot about retention and how to grab viewers' attention. Once you master that, it will become very easy for you to go viral. If you don't want to write them yourself, you can use this prompt in ChatGPT, but make sure to change the content to whatever you want. Anyways, make sure to proofread the whole thing because religion is serious, and you have to get the verses and prayers right. After all of this, let's get into the fun part now.
Let's get into it.
To make the videos, we will be using Fleeky. Go to the first link in the description and create a new account. After that, click on New File and provide a random name for it, then click Submit. First, we'll start by clicking on Settings and changing the aspect ratio to Landscape to create a long-form YouTube video. Next, we will create the scenes. Begin by copying the script. I will do the first paragraph, and you can do the same for the rest. Now, change the voice to whatever suits your content and click Submit. After that, we need to divide the script into multiple scenes so we can add different stock footages. Go ahead and insert stock footage that corresponds to what is being said in the video. If you're unsure, you can add images of water, fire, or a sad person, as they usually fit this type of videos. Now let's see how this looks.
In a world filled with uncertainty and challenges, it's easy to find ourselves drowning in worries and anxieties. But today, I invite you to take a deep breath, relax, and find solace in the comforting embrace of faith. As we explore the beauty of trust in Allah, God, and His divine plan.
Next, let's adjust the subtitles. Position them in the middle. Change the font to your preference. Set the size to large. And leave the display on phrase. Reduce the background transparency. Then add a zoom in and a zoom out effect. Most importantly, click on Apply to Similar Layers so you don't have to repeat the same steps for others. After that, add background music and reduce its volume. Finally, click on Download, and your video will be ready. Now let's work on designing thumbnails. Go to Canva and create a design, then select the YouTube thumbnail. After that, import a meditation image from your computer, which you can find on Google. Resize the image to fit the entire screen. Next, add text that relates to the video's content. Try to engage with the viewer in the text. Make the text larger and change its color to white. Add a shadow effect to the text and make the shadow color black. Afterward, you can add more text and change its color to something else. Once you've completed the thumbnail, click on Share, then download and upscale it to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Finally, click on Download, and there you have it. The video and thumbnail are ready. Feel free to upload it to YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, I recommend watching this one as well. Also, consider subscribing to my email list down below. Lastly, subscribe to the channel so we can reach our goal of 5,000 subscribers.